Garlic and ginger have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may offer some protection against disease. Here are some of the potential benefits of eating garlic and ginger together. 1. Provides anti-inflammatory benefits. Garlic and ginger contain powerful anti-inflammatory plant compounds that may help inhibit pro-inflammatory proteins associated with chronic inflammation. Studies have shown that both garlic and ginger reduce markers of inflammation in humans. 2. May protect against cellular damage. Garlic and ginger are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from oxidative stress caused by an overload of molecules called reactive oxygen species, ROS. 3. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Ginger can be helpful in digestion by controlling high sugar levels.